started playing hide and seek with my class. So let's get started and let's go. Yeah. So I might move to another spot. Let's go over here.
You turn off the light. Shh.
Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Tuwing ikaw ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligaya. Ang iyong diwali ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha pagkausap ka. Kaya nais kong malaman mo, sinisigaw nito ang puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw kaya ay naisip kong makapiling.
Yo, hi chat. But y'all not even tagging me.
Cause we don't.
Cause he gave up.
He gave up and I won.
So I won.
I also won.
Chat, I won.
We won.
Chat,
No, Jill won. He won.
chat, I won. He lost.
No, I won.
I won, chat. I won, chat. Thank y'all.
No, on the light.
Yeah. Make sure y'all sub and like to see more video about me playing on my own house or on my other house. Or I might make another video on like Roblox, Rainbow, or something like that. Yeah, so make sure you sub and subscribe. Bye. Peace.